I got. You better wave. You're on the camera. Hi, welcome back. I'm Amy.
Hi, I'm Jim.
We're the Vagabond'Z, and we're coming. We're on a little adventure today. We're in Cashmere, Washington. We are going to. I don't know if anybody's been here or heard of it. We're halfway between Wenatchee and Leavenworth.
Yep.
And we are
right on Highway 2.
Yep. We are actually with Dwayne and Elisa from Where's the Blaires, but they scooted their butts inside already. We are here at the Applets and Cotlets.
It's not going to work that way because it's in front of you.
We're right there in front of the Applets and Cotlets. It's this part of Washington is very well known for apples and apricots. So they're these little candies that they make with apples and apricots. That's why they're called applets and cotlets.
So it's a thing around here.
Yeah. So they do a little tour of how they make them and manufacture them. They do it right here in Cashmere. So we're going to go check it out.
Yeah,
we're going to bring you along, and you can see Applets and Cotlets.
Right after this.
Blueberry one, and this is apple.
Did you try?
I tried that one.
And?
I haven't tried that one.
I had that one. That was good.
Well, I'm sad that the tour is not
really
happening.
Good.
What one did you try?
I did the blueberry one first.
Me too.
Okay, that's what I'm doing. All right.
You've never had one before?
No, I think I have. So this is a blueberry one, though. So that goes out of the scheme of Applets and Cotlets. But we just found out that no tour today.
Sad face.
Sad face. So I don't know if we'll come back, but how is
Well,
it?
it sounds like they
I like the apple better.
Yeah.
don't do the tours on the weekends because they don't in production right now.
I like the apple.
So there's like this jellied center in there with the fruit, and then there's walnuts. Well, no,
That one has almonds.
almonds in the blueberry,
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this one.
and then dusted with powdered sugar.
Yeah. I mean, there's evidence after you eat it. You've got evidence too.
Yep.
Well, that's a true applet.
I think I've had the apple and the apricot one, but never the blueberry. Blueberry's okay.
I like it. All right.
Oh,
What do you think of that? That was kind of lame.
Well, it was lame only because
they
the
weren't
tour.
doing tours today.
Yeah.
That's all right.
But they had some free samples, and they did get our money on 2 boxes of things.
Yeah.
But not Applets and Cotlets. We chose the Berry Delight and the Fruit Delight and the Turkish Delights.
I think we might have missed out. Well, we had to work today, so.
We did have to work. All right.
Now we're off to Leavenworth.
Yep. Got to get directions for Lisa.
So you're gonna go over there, go up that way, go over there, go that way.
Yeah.
All right. Back to Leavenworth we go. So we got back to Leavenworth again on our adventure, and it is quite different than when we were here last time, just a couple weeks ago. Now, granted, that was on a Wednesday, and this is a Saturday. So they got a whole bunch of stuff going on. Some street vendors over there. They got some live music going on over here. I believe it's Bavarian style. But yeah, it's definitely busier than when we were here a couple weeks ago.
Yeah. So do you want to tell us what you have here?
Yeah, of course. So these are all Belgian-style chocolates. We sell them by the piece, by the box. They're $1.75 a piece. It's $15.50 for our 9 most popular chocolates, which are the 9 in the back row here, closest to me. And then it's $17.50 to hand-pick your own 9.
Okay.
Yeah, and we do have larger boxes as well.
Awesome. And what did you give us to try?
Yeah, that was a pear cinnamon caramel.
Pear cinnamon caramel. That was so good.
Yeah, and we also have this bittersweet chocolate sauce with some cocoa dust almonds if you want to give that
Well, we might as well. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Go big or stay home.
That's it.
So you guys are originally from Washington?
Yeah, I actually grew up in Longview.
Oh, nice. Here you go.
Go ahead.
Would you want one of these ones?
No, thank you.
Alrighty. One for you?
Yeah.
Well, that's good too.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Oh,
That is good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And then there's a trash can.
that's fine by me. Yeah.
We got one. Where'd we go?
Oh, that was in San Antonio.
where are we at?
We're at Gustav's finally, since
Finally.
we didn't go last time when
So
we were
last
here.
time we came to Leavenworth, just a week ago,
Yeah.
week and a half ago, we were going to come here and got full on a pretzel and a beer.
It's probably all gonna be on the same video, so you
Oh,
probably
very well
already.
might be.
So,
But we
but
come here.
oh, go ahead.
No, you go.
I was gonna say
I'm peacing out.
we've got our friends with us, Elisa and Dwayne from Where's the Blaires. They had a little bit of a breakdown.
Yes.
Tell us what happened.
Well, we were coming in to see you guys because that's what you do when you're on the road. And our truck was making a horrible noise, and now it's in the shop for we don't know how long. So we're lucky to be here near you guys and hanging out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're the lucky ones, actually.
Yeah.
Aw, thanks.
Thank you. Our truck had an oil leak. They don't know where it's coming from, and we were kind of stranded. But you guys came to the help and moved us around. So
Well,
thank you.
well, no thanks are necessary. We would do it in a heartbeat for anybody.
Now ask him what kind of truck he has.
What kind of truck do you have?
I have a Dodge 110 dually, 2500.
And what kind of
3,500.
what kind of truck will you maybe have in another week or so?
A GMC. Yeah.
Or a Chevy. Yeah.
Well, it's been fun, you guys.
Well, this has been the best breakdown location ever. We're loving our time with you guys.
Good. And we're loving it too.
Yeah, and we brought him to Leavenworth.
Yeah.
At Gustav's. I mean, everybody's got to see Leavenworth if you come to Washington.
Yes.
It's cute.
And we love Gustav's.
We do love Gustav's.
My mom and dad used to come here,
Yeah.
and that's one of the reasons that's kind of partial to me. But
Yeah, I remember your dad and I eating baboon-ass, as you
Yeah.
like to call it.
corned beef, it looks like a baboon's ass.
Jim is not a corned beef pastrami lover.
Corned beef. I like pastrami.
Oh.
I know it's the same.
He calls it baboon-ass, but
That will be like.
Dwayne and I are getting ready to have one heck of a Reuben.
Yep. All right, so we're gonna visit without y'all. We'll show you our food.
We'll show you
maybe.
the food. Yeah, we'll show
If we
you.
remember.
If we
If not-
remember.
All right. Till later. All right. So they're crazy fast here. I gotta get my longer arms, I think. Our food's already here, and we've only been in here for like 10 minutes, maybe. But here's what we got. I have the pepper jack burger. We got 2 Reubens
Heck yeah.
and a what?
Beef Ortega.
That thing's huge. Put your hand up against it. Beef Ortega. Dang! That's gonna be good. All right.
All right, let's
I ain't
chow
wasting no
down.
more time. I'm getting into this.
Yeah.
So we're in the Chris Kringle Christmas store here in Leavenworth, and they have every ornament known to man, I think.
Yeah, maybe pretty close to.
Which, well, it's very cool and very beautiful. As most RVers know, you don't have room for a lot of RV stuff or Christmas things.
Or many things in general.
But
Just the tools to.
here's some Nutcracker, and today was actually National Nutcracker Day.
Really?
That's why you could get into the Nutcracker Museum for free. But we missed it. We were too late.
Julie didn't do very good on
They
planning
got-
our day.
Well, we had to work. Big Santa nutcrackers. If I was rich, or if Jim was rich, and we didn't live in an RV, and I had just a ton of money to do whatever I want, I'd have one of these giant
And a ton of
villages.
room.
Look at there's some A real working ski lift. That was always one of my favorite things about home and the house was the little Christmas village that I had. Don't have it anymore. As you all know, Elise only has one leg. She's very open about it. She's very friendly. She likes to make jokes to herself. So we're just walking through this Christmas store, and she sees the iconic leg lamp from Christmas Story. She goes, "Look, I found my other leg." She is so silly. So we are in the gingerbread factory bake shop. It's super cute. You walk in the door, there's like this tree. It'll end up into the ceiling. A little picture of Hansel and Gretel over there. So it looks like a little gingerbread house in here. It's so cute. And then along the wall, all these different decorated gingerbread houses. It's super cute. And then inside, I think they do coffee and pastries and gingerbread, maybe? I don't know. I'm going to go in and find out. Oh, wow. Look at those cakes. They look delicious.